Today I am doing, I don't know how to explain it. I guess like a DIY get ready with me. I am getting ready, but I'm planning on cutting up some of my old clothes, like this one. The reason I'm doing this is because I have a huge hole in the back of the shirt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually split this in half and just have it, you know, open. Get me some breeze up in there. And I have this wife beater tank top. I'm planning on probably just cutting it down the middle and put a little bit of holes in it so it just looks, you know, beat up. Those are, I think, are the only two things that I'm working with. So I'm not gonna really talk much in this video. I'm just gonna do some DIY stuff. Let's get into it, guys. So here's the rest of it. Here's the tank top that I tied. I have a hole here, and then the hole's ripped up. Where was it? Oh, over here. Have another one on the shoulder. This is nice and flowy and long, open, be cool, you know what I mean. And I have like high-waisted shorts on, so it can pretty much go with the whole outfit. So that is it for this DIY get ready with me video. If you like it, you can give it a big thumbs up. I don't like the way my hair looks right now. Also, if you want to see more of me, you can go follow my social medias, which is my Snapchat and my Instagram. Wow, I seriously need to fix this. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. Bye, guys.